Hey spooks, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is a tutorial for my version of Captain Spaulding, who is a character from the film House of a Thousand Corpses. To start off with, I painted my whole face and chest area with a white face paint. Using a black face paint, I then painted two skull-shaped eye sockets around my eyes. Captain Spaulding's makeup, it's like the classic clown with the really high up exaggerated eyes and big eyebrows, so I just painted those on. For the body, I painted on some big blue pom-poms because that's what he wears in some of the scenes. He's got an outfit on with that on. And then I painted on the red and white stripy like classic clown neck. He doesn't have this on, but I just wanted to add that to the look. I painted red and white stripes down the arms as well, and I decided to add some blood splatter to the face and body, so I just painted on with a red face paint some different sized dots. If you're into freaky horror films, definitely check out House of a Thousand Corpses. It's by the director Rob Zombie. So this character, he wears like a little American flag hat, and I couldn't find one anywhere, so I just made this American flag big clown bow tie. If you like this tutorial, please give me a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you've seen the movie. Goodbye.